I want to be a man of fire.
Behold, Lord, I come to you.
I love the Eucharist. I live the Eucharist.
I want to belong entirely to Jesus. He makes his home in me.
By loving Him, by adoring Him, and by serving Him.
Eucharistic Jesus is accompanying me to build up Eucharistic kingdom.
It has been a constant search, an unquenchable thirst among the people for the meaning and purpose of life, which is the source of happiness and satisfaction. It has been a universal truth that the joy comes from the divine, overtakes the happiness shared by the riches and pleasures of the world. Human brokenness being explicitly expressed in poverty, hunger, terrorism, and religious fanaticism, and many more untold and unresolved that threatens human life. It is in this situation a holy man discovered that God, who is the Creator, Himself gives the answer for all these problems in the Eucharist. He is none other than Saint Peter Julian Aymar, the Apostle of the Eucharist. Following in his footsteps, around 862 religious members, including 8 bishops, serve effectively in 32 countries throughout the world. Today, we take pride in welcoming 7 new members to the Indian province who aspire to make known the Eucharist. We pray that the grace of the Eucharistic Lord and Spirit of our Holy Founder be with them.
St. Peter Julian Aymar, the prophet of the Eucharist, was searching for the answers of human society. He found it in the Eucharist. Following his footsteps, I want to be a man of fire for the Eucharist in the congregation of the Blessed Sacrament. Today is going to be a remarkable and an historical day in my life. The Lord has showered upon me so many blessings from my birth to till now. They are that of a sand of a seashore, innumerable and uncountable. Among all the blessings, His invitation to Eucharistic way of life is like an icing on a cake, double treat, double celebration, celebration of proclamation and celebration of participation. I can't afford to miss this lifetime opportunity. Therefore, I am eager to say the golden words, Behold, Lord, I come to do your will.
I choose to dedicate my entire life to Jesus because God has gifted me with a Eucharistic vocation. So I need to respond to my call radically. Therefore, I love the Eucharist, I live the Eucharist, and journey with the Eucharist.
My life in the congregation of the Blessed Sacrament over past 12 years has led me to appreciate and relish the sweetness of God's bountiful love manifested in the Eucharist. Motivated by my love for Jesus in the Eucharist and for others, I want to be committed seriously for the mission of the congregation traced out by our founder St. Peter Julian Aymar for the rest of my life. For this reason, I profess I want to belong entirely to Jesus. Use me as your instrument. Having lived in the congregation of the Blessed Sacrament for 12 years, captivated by the love of God, and following the footsteps of our founder Saint Peter Julian Aymar, I learned that I am entirely belong to the Eucharistic Jesus, and thus He makes His home in me.
Jesus in the Eucharist is my strength, my center, and my life. Throughout my formation, I experienced the love of God in the Eucharist. Through the inspiration of our founder, St. Peter Julian Aymar, I am ready to commit myself to the Eucharistic Lord by loving Him, by adoring Him, and by serving Him.
Having been fascinated by the love of God in the Eucharist, past 11 years, I feel that Eucharistic Jesus is accompanying me to build up Eucharistic kingdom on earth.